Hi, meow. Playing with my meow. Playing with my meow, meow, meow. What do you want, meow? How about you? What do you want? There's puppy over there. Puppy dog. Poopy on the floor. Poopy on the floor. Yeah, over there. Who did it? Last night. Some puppy did it last night, huh? And then she wouldn't talk to mommy this morning. Ay, ay. Because she was very, very embarrassed. Very embarrassed ang doggy. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my, what is that? What are you doing? Billy for sale? Billy for rubs. Is it Billy for rubs? Huh? Billy for rubs. It's Lily's Billy for rubs. Goodness. Nobody's gonna rub that belly. No, I won't rub bellies. So this is package. Naglalaman ng Galingan sa bingka. I've been wanting to make bingka, pero I don't have a galingan. It's just a blender, but it keep dying. Keep saying it's overheated. So bumili ako ng manual because this one is tastes parang probinsya yung dating ng bingka. So bigat pala. We'll see how this thing works. We might try this in a few days. See if it works as like our galingan sa Pilipinas. Oh, biskop. So, bugat gid siya. I can't pick it up in just one hand. So, ito. God. Dismantle siya. But, let's take that thing off on one handle. Oh, ito yung bowl. I'm gonna put my face. Tatago lang ako ha kasi kagigising ko lang. Tsaka kahiya yung mga taba-taba dyan na ano. Ito. Bongga, may manual pa. Oh yeah, may manual pa, oh. Ito siya, oh. Mura lang yan. It's like I bought it for 27 plus tax in Amazon. Tapos yun lang, dito lang. The most complaint of other people was the polishing daw. They came off. But our trick like this, when I was a kid, we just ground like 1 cup to throw away, and then the rest will be just fine. So I'm gonna try to assemble. Well, this is like you hook on the table. See, there's a knob right here. It supposedly goes up and down, but looks like it's built in. Oh, okay, and now it's moving. So you hook that in there, and then this one, alam ko to dati. I used to do this when I was a little. Ako mama is maming kahay, so I was always the one had to do this. There's a bearing inside. We'll see if this gonna match. Parang hindi yata. Or kasi dito yung handle eh. Dapat dito yung handle. Tingnan natin. Kasi ang nakaganda dito sa Amazon, pag hindi mo like yung items or sira yung item, you can return it. So lang ito masyadong mabigat. Well, let's give it a try. Isa lang ang ano nito, ganito o ganyan. Dapat magkasya siya. Hi, Meow Meow. What are you doing, Meow Meow? Huh? Ano to? Parang mali naman yata yung pagkaano ko. Ah, ganyan siya. Okay. Hi, Meow Meow. Ibang klase siya. Ganito pala siya, oh. You clip it down and then tighten. Oh, my kitty is watching me. Hi, kitty. Tapos you can tie this. I think this padding goes over here when you clamp it on the table, so the table don't get damaged. Tapos ito goes on top. Let's see. Ganyan lang siya. Iba yung dati sa amin kasi it was like metal or no, kanang it's not removable. The pan on the top, it's not removable. Wow, I think I just the screw is not, I mean it's supposed to be like that. Oh, but then it will come off. Okay, never mind. So you put the rice over here on top. I got it wrong way. Rice here. And you grind like that. Parang hindi siya tight. I'm gonna have to soak some rice so I can try this tomorrow. Yep. So ito siya, may mabigat. Yeah, look at Kitty. Mabigat Kitty, ha? May manual pa. Ito yung box niya. Hopefully it'll work good. I'll give it a try tomorrow.
Yes, no.
Okay. I'm gonna try my galingan sa bugas. Kay magbingka ko. Okay. Go ahead. Oh, the water is dripping. The water is dripping under. Oh boy. Oh, I don't know what we did with in the barrio with our thing like this. We wrap something over here so the water don't come out. See how fine it is? It is fine, but it's really dry. It's fine. It's fine as it is.
Fine as
Good.
Fox here, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's get it off.